Hi grade twos. I wanted to take some time to just really quickly run you through the Teams site, just to give you an idea of what you should be looking at and what it can be used for and what you should be seeing when you log in. So the first thing that you should do is log into Microsoft Teams. So to do that, you can just type in the top teams.microsoft.com and that will take you to your home page. So yours should look very similar to this, where you have a team set up and it's DPE Miss Jackson grade 2, or if you're in Mrs. Bertman and Miss Milne's class, that's what you would see there. You're then going to click on that and that will bring you into our team. What I see and what you see are very different. So here I can see all of the students that are in our class. You should only be able to see your child's name, the general, the class assignments, and the documents and things you may need. So we've set this up for each section to have a different use. So the general is just where kids can post things to each other. So if you wanted to say hi to another student, or if you were excited about something that you did and wanted to show the whole class, this is where you can show the whole class something. If you are wanting to just talk to me or to Mrs. Jebenis or to another teacher, you're going to go into your personal channel here. So these are all the different channels. So you would click on your name, that would take you to your page, and from there you can communicate or chat with just your teacher and just the other staff members that are attached to your child. The other pages that you should see, or channels that you should see, are the class assignments. So for this week, we're hoping that everyone can post a picture of their recycled sculptures. So what you'll do is you'll just push reply, and then you'll attach, oh, there we go. You'll attach a file. So for me, I would upload this from my computer, and then I would find the picture that I want and attach it there. And then everyone in the class will be able to see the creation that you made. When we do Scientist of the Week, what you'll do is you will see another section here, and it will say, this is so-and-so Scientist of the Week, and then they will attach their video and any pictures that they have, and then from there you can comment on it and ask questions. You won't be able to start a new conversation here. This part should be blank for you. The only thing you can do is reply to things that people have posted. The last page that you'll need is the documents and things you may need page or channel. And this is where we're going to be posting all of our future lessons. So our weekly plans can be found here. Some of the PDFs are becoming so big with so many documents that we're not able to email them out. So if that's the case, you're going to have to go to the site, the documents and things you may need, and then click on it from there. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're always happy to help you and answer any questions that you might have.